Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be another Walmart haul. And I did find a few goodies. So let's get started with the Walmart haul. Okay, the first thing I picked up is these cute little stretchy shorts. They have the little pocket. They tie right here and they're very short. They have them like in a light denim. I've seen like a lavender and like a lime green. But I only picked up this kind because it looked like a dark black denim. So I picked that up at Walmart. Then the next thing I picked up, these could be a dress or you could put them with capris. And I'm going to put them with capris. I'm going to wear this. This is beautiful. It's like a mint greenish blue. And then it cuffs in the front. Super cute. It's got the pretty flowers all over it. It's got the nice string in the back. And then it's kind of long, like medium. And it's got this beautiful floral print at the bottom. And it's flowy. I really, really like that. So I got this. I'm going to wear it with some capris. And do something cute with that. The way that, how you say it? Like, if you ever saw the movie Monster-in-Law with Jennifer Lopez and Jane Fonda. In the movie, she puts her hair up. And then she wears like these cute dresses like this with the capris and these cute sandals. That's how I'm going to wear that. With that. Then I got a nice black one. Same thing. It's got this cute, but this one is different in the front. It goes all the way around like that. Super cute. It's got the little straps. Let me see if it's got the little straps. Yeah, I believe it has the little straps. And then you get the long floral. Sorry guys, let me see if I can pull it out a little bit better. It's got the floral pattern at the bottom. It's nice and black. Black goes with everything. So, you see how you see the little straps? Goes across. And it's got like this lace back right here. Super, super cute. And these are pretty for summer and spring. Especially when it gets too hot. Or you're out at nighttime. You got this really nice little dress thing. And some people could wear it as... if you're like a teenager, you could wear it as a dress or whatever if it's not too short. But I'm going to wear the wet jean capris and have something cute. Then I got a nice white towel with the gray stripes. Looks like that. And these were on sale, I think $3 something. And then I got this nice cute, just simple, very silky. It's got the straps. It's just a simple little black tank top. You know, just a simple black tank top. And it has that silky, breathable material. And you can wear this with anything. So, black goes with everything. So, I got those. Then I got like this periwinkle baby blue. Really pretty towel. It's got the stripes. Same thing. So, I got that towel. Then I got the dark blue. It's like an electric blue with the stripes. Really nice. I got that towel. And these are all for the bath or your hair or whatever. Then I got the baby pink one with the same thing with the stripes. Really nice. Got them at Walmart. Then I picked up a whole bunch of seasoning mixes for chicken and stuff like that. This is a teriyaki. So it's a teriyaki, like a seasoning mix. And you could put that basically with anything or, you know, like, chicken or whatever you want to do. See, and I got 2 of those teriyakis. Got those. Then I got 2 of these Caribbean jerk. I love Caribbean jerk, Jamaican flavored. I got this for chicken. So I could do something with that. See, here's the other one, Caribbean jerk. I think these were, I believe, 98 cents, something like that. And I picked up one of these Hidden Valley Ranch dips. You don't have to make it as a dip. I make this with other recipes. And this is the creamy dill. So this one's got dill in it. It's really delicious. That's the only flavor I've seen. They only had the plain ranch. And I already have that stuff already. I picked up one of these Kit Kat bars. I bought it before. It's the mint and dark chocolate. It's really good. Then I picked up this mane and tail deep moisture. It says Pro Vitamin B5 deep moisture conditioner. And this is not just for horses. It's good for human beings. So if it's good for the horse hair, they make this for human, you know, for human hair too. And then I got this one here. This one is the Herbal Grow. Herbal Grow with olive oil and keratin shampoo, mane and tail. And this is the smaller bottles. They also have big size bottles. They have sprays and, you know, different stuff like that. I picked up a box of hair dye. I needed my hair dye. I couldn't find the color down my way. They sold out. So I had to go really far to get it. So I got the black hair dye, and that's L'Oreal Excellence Cream. Then I found these, a whole bunch of these again. This is the Lysol, and this is the peach bottle, and this is the Nutra Air 2-in-1 Lysol. So I got this Lysol, and then I picked up the blue Lysol, the same thing, Nutra Air 2-in-1. Nice can like that. And then these are the goodies that I picked up. This was $10. They have been all different colors. I didn't see no pretty blues or anything. Mainly everything is like gold and brown and like a golden color, stuff like that. I picked up one of these. This is from L'Oreal. It's called Brilliant Eyes, and it's a beautiful pearly silver. And this is actual liquid eyeshadow, and it's very, very shimmery and beautiful looking. This was $10 just for this one tube by itself. $10. So I picked that up. Then I picked up this beautiful one. They have a clear one. They also have a brown one. This is from Perfusion. It's called Aqua Glam. Aqua Gear. What's it called? Aqua Gems. Okay. And this is like beautiful greens and blues. And this was $8. $7.98 for this little 5-thing of palette. But I always wear stuff like this too, and it's beautiful. So yeah, you got a lot of beautiful glitter and shimmer. Then I picked up this beautiful palette. Oh my god, Physicians Formula. This is a face palette, All-Star, and I love the packaging. And this was $15. And then you get these beautiful highlighters. You get the pretty hearts. You get the golden, beautiful rose there. You get this nice tan bronze. You get that kind. You get the pearly kind. And then you get that kind. And I've seen these individually, and you're paying like $13 or $14 for each one in a compartment for Physicians Formula. So you get all 6 of these beautiful ones for the same price. So I paid 14 something for this palette. It's really, really nice. This is the Physicians Formula All-Star. Then I picked up this beautiful Profusion Palette. It's called Mirage. And then you get all your neutrals, your nudes, your shimmers. Beautiful pink. Because the pink glitters. You get silver, you get gold. A lot of silver shimmers, pale lilacs, purples. Beautiful, like pale pinks and naturals. The pink glitter right here. They're so pretty. And it's called Mirage. And this one was $15. Something like that. And then this one was $18. And I picked up this one. It's called Kaleidoscope, or whatever you pronounce it. Then you get a lot of shimmers. This is a Perfusion palette. And Perfusion's really, really good. And you get all these beautiful colors. I see a lot of purples, beautiful pinks. You get glittery greens and lime yellow and like your darker greens and blues. And then down here you get these really big glitters. So you get a whole bunch of glitters. This is a nice black glitter, gold glitter. And it goes a pretty gold. It's like a brownish black. You get blues and really nice. Like a silvery blue. Super pretty. So this one costs a little bit more and it's way bigger. And you get more color and you get more glitter. But I wear stuff like this every day. So this is a really, really beautiful palette. And that's what it looks like when you open it up. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching this haul. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be doing more soon again as always. And I will talk to you guys later on. And happy Easter guys. Bye.